I actually got these for Mother's Day. Thank you, Mom. But welcome back to the journey of Rise. Yes, and I actually have some great news for you guys. I will be uploading a video every 2 weeks. I know a month is a bit drawn out, so every 2 weeks you will get a video uploaded on Sundays. Now, if you have not liked my previous videos, commented, subscribe, share, do that now. Awesome. Now, moving on into my 3-month lock update. Who's ready? I am. So, I have been experiencing some budding. I've realized that I think it was like 2.5 months, 2 months to 2.5 months I've been realizing some budding. No, it's all over. And at the end of the day, it boils down to patience because progress is key in this transition. Yes. Shrinkage. As you can see, my hair is still shrinking. But, I mean, it's fine. It looks nice and kinky. I have afro hair. I have kinky hair. So, that's expected. I've actually realized when it's dry, it shrinks up. But when it's washed, I see my true length, which is weird because when it's dry, I'm supposed to see my real length. But yeah. So the Miss Frizz, still there, but I am honestly embracing it because this is the starter lock process and my hair is transitioning, so a lot of stuff is happening to it at the same time. So I am definitely embracing it, and yeah, that's it. So let's talk about routine. My routine is I just wet my hair every other day with rose water and water mix, and I also put coconut and tea tree oil maybe every week just to keep it moistured. Actually want to add some more on my list, like almond, jojoba, grape oils. So yeah, when I do get them, I'll definitely update you guys on that. I do not style it. I just put it up in a scarf like this, or I keep it in a satin cap, or if I just leave it out and just leave it. So I'm letting my hair go through the change and not doing much to it. So that's it for my routine, honestly. So another great update that I have for you guys, I added some new edition starter locks in my hair. No, it was now or never, honestly, because when I went in there to actually loose out the twists, I wouldn't tell you how much I loosed out, but I loosed out a couple of them, and the ones that I took out, I was experiencing some budding, and also when I reached to the root of it, I had some struggles, so I just wet it. I actually forgot the conditioner to put on there to soften it up, but I got through with the water and I just took my time, and it was progress there. I kind of, but I mean, that was my choice because it was now or never, because I don't want to take it out 5 months down the road. So I actually added some starter locks to my journey. So what I'll do, I will let you guys comment and play a guessing game. Guess how many locks did I actually added to my journey. Now put that in and I will definitely let you guys know. Ladies and gents, no. I keep saying guys. You guys are not guys. It's ladies and gents. So ladies and gents, put a comment down there. Now for the moment we have been waiting for. Do I like the Flaxseed Gel or nah? Let's see. So I'm just gonna tell you how my retwist went at 8 weeks, and it went well. Now went well. I was retwisting it. The gel felt nice on my hand. It didn't feel icky, sticky, as I said in my previous video. So I'll just go by weeks. So week 1, no flakes, no sign of buildup. The retwist had still looked lovely. Good. Week 2 in 4 starter locks, I realized myself that there's a bit flakes and a little buildup. So I asked my husband to check it out for me. He said, yes, it is. So on May 9th, my husband actually went in there on each starter lock and actually take out all of that buildup and flakes that was happening in my starter locks. Now I was bittersweet because I love the Flaxseed Gel because it gives a nice hold, it gives a nice shine. So I was definitely going for it. Like, I'll find my gel. But then last week when he had to go through all of that, because it would have been awkward for me, so he was actually seeing it and going through taking up the buildup because it was actually entangled in the twist itself. So unfortunately, I will not be retwisting my hair with the flaxseed gel. That's my opinion. It did not work with my hair, even though it was amazing. The results were amazing, yes, but the end result was not, and I do not want to use anything that will cause buildup on my locks. I do not want it on my starter locks. Moving on. For this retwist, I waited 4 weeks to wash my hair. I do not think it's worth it because by week 2 or ending of week 2, my hair had just looked puffy, and I don't see why I can't wash my hair. I was actually, me personally, in my previous videos, I told you that I will not be washing my hair every month, every 2 months. I'll be washing it every 2 weeks. Yes, I'm going back to that. I was just trying to see how long a retwist will actually last in my hair. And I got my answer, so I'm going back to my regular 2 weeks wash. As you can see, I am getting into my scarves. I'm going to take it down so you guys can see how it is. I'm going to show you the button. I'm going to show you how it is and how my journey is going. I'm so excited. It's like a lovely day. I went out yesterday with my son. He was cooped up in the house because it was winter and all the COVID going on too. He was cooped up in the house and no running around outside, and I felt for him. So I went on the park. No one was on the park yesterday. Good. Anywho's, he ran around and around and around, and I felt so good. He was just loving the breeze and just looking at the water. I was like, oh my gosh, I can't wait for summer. And it was like 81 degrees. Did I mention I want the beach? I want my starter locks to feel the seawater. Like, I personally want to go to the beach. I want to go to the beach. I need to go to the islands and get my starter locks wet. So let me show you guys my starter locks and how it's coming along. Yep, so I'll go in with my spray bottle, rose water, because since I have it up, I'm just gonna get it loosened up and actually show you guys how it is. So this is my hair. Let me do this side part quickly. Let's get it done. There we go. Kind of like the scarf better. I'm getting into the scarf look, so don't get me wrong. You see how puffy it is? Like nothing is there. But let me see if I can find some button for you guys. I have a nice one. As you see, got some button going on in my hair, and I love it. see. So there you have it. That's it. That's my 3-month starter lock update, and I'm loving the journey. So I'm hoping you are too. And before I conclude, I hope you beautiful people are staying safe and are definitely okay out there. And take care of your starter locks, and if you are locked, thumbs up. Keep taking care of it. Even if the salons are not open, try and do something with your hair, okay? Definitely the frizz is there, but I'll be Miss Frizzy if I have to be, and I will enjoy it.